Ayuda Belmariano sinagot ang tanong ng madla kung paano nga ba bilang boyfriend si Donnie sa kanya. Bongga, matapang rin. Say ng aktres, nothing is sexier than a man that who admits he wants you. Show how much he loves you and respect you. Give his time and attention to you at gagawin ng lahat para mapasaya ka lang. And says no other girls because he is too busy loving you. Yan si Donnie bilang boyfriend. At ang pinakagusto ko sa kanya ay mayroon siyang isang salita.